my name is Paul from the YES group. I'm just going to do a quick video today to inform you about the UV-DTF machine that we have. This is our UV-DTF 24H3R, 24 standing for the media width of 24 inches or 60 centimeters. 3 heads with regards to colour, white and varnish or clear coat. And then we've also got a roll fed machine, so you've got a roll on the back, feeding through the machine to a completed roll at the end. The machine is ideal for print onto hard surfaces, notebooks, water bottles, anything really that you can think about, acrylic, anything. With the machine itself today, we're going to print on some lovely little trophies. So just obviously do a quick recap of what you've just seen printing just now. I've seen these online at £3 each. Now these cost me 30p each, and each print cost me 4p. So that's in terms of the film, the lamination and also the ink itself. We've done 18 trophies. It took us just over 30 seconds. So my club, who I help run and manage, we have 300 kids. So if we bought each of them a trophy at £3, we're looking at a £900 expense. Whereas if we was to do them ourselves, it's going to cost us just over £100. So that's the best part of £800 profit just on one order. So if you're wanting to know more about the ColDesi UV-DTF 24H3R, just give us a call, 01623 863343, or you can go onto our website and you can see the specification of the machine. If you want to come and visit our showroom, you can do exactly what we've just done now, see some samples, apply them to your items and just check it out. Hope to speak to you soon.